Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. In today's video, we are going to be working on a really cool project or craft that I saw on Instagram. And to be honest, I do not remember who shared the video. It was like a really short video doing these little laminated dashboards or bookmarks really. And so I wanted to try it out for myself and absolutely loved the idea. I am not going to walk you through this, you guys, because it's really simple. And I actually created bookmarks on a separate video, and I will go more in detail on that one. This one is just, I honestly used washi tape that I already had, ephemera butterflies that I've already had. You guys seen them before because I've done them for other projects, and laminated this cool little dashboard. I think it's a dashboard. I'm using it as a little divider for my traveler's notebook or for my what are those things like yeah, traveler's notebook. You could also use it for a bookmark if you wanted to. These are the smaller size. I think it's 3x4. So they're definitely smaller. So I would think these are more like a decorative piece. But anyways, I'm gonna put in on a little bit of music, the same I always pick. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you all of the ones that I ended up doing, which turned out, I promise you guys, super easy to do, and you don't have to buy anything. Well, if you don't have the laminating sheets, yeah, you're going to have to buy that. but everything else is made with stuff that you already have in your craft room. So I encourage you to look and find stamps or ephemera that you've already have and put it together. Super adorable. But anyways, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Okay, let me grab a scrap piece of paper so that you are able to see how gorgeous these little decorative pieces are. I don't even know what to call them, honestly. Because they could be like a little decoration for inside your agenda or a bookmark or a dashboard. I'm not exactly sure, but I just wanted to show you like how quick and easy and super fast it works with washi tape. It works perfectly fine with stickers, and the only thing, it's the back, because obviously you can see everything through the back, but if it doesn't bother you, just let it be. But look how pretty these are. Aren't they gorgeous? Just like a little paper craft, like I said, a simple little bookmark or something that you could put inside your agenda or your traveler's notebook. Let me pull my piece, because actually this is gonna be super perfect. I don't necessarily have it decorated just yet, but I want to show you, okay, how cute it would be to sit on a pocket like that, or this one, like so, but you hardly could see it. You guys get the gist of it. You guys get the gist of it. Now, these are so gorgeous. They're so pretty. I don't know, because I made them same concept. They're cousins. Slightly different, but not by much. So I think I am going to be keeping this one. I just love the way it turned out. Right? So anyways, my daughter already came to claim one of the other bookmarks, because I'm gonna just tell you a little bit. We're done with this project, okay, but I was just gonna share. The bookmarks that I made for the school were a success. I had so many teachers message me and email me. Well, not, I want to say so many, but in reality it was like a couple, probably like three, maybe four. And just wanted to thank me for creating the bookmarks for them. They were big hits, and they actually, my daughter ended up, I gave her a choice. I said you could give them to your classmates, you could give them to your teacher, or if anything, donate them to walk them into the school library. I think she allowed, according to her, she let all her teachers choose one for themselves, and then the rest she took to the library. So I don't know if she's like the actual librarian or the assistant, but I ended up seeing the teacher at Target, and she's like, I just want to thank you once again for the bookmarks. And my daughter ended up telling me that they were actually going to give them as prizes for kids that did something good or excelled or whatever. So they weren't just gonna hand them out to the kids, which I would have been perfectly okay with either. It doesn't bother me. But yeah, they felt that they were nice enough to give them as prize for kids for good behavior. So I was obviously super proud, and I think that this would be something cool and interesting to do the next time. Just create long, like these are longer, these are 7 inches, just long bookmarks like these that honestly you just need a few ephemera pieces or little cutouts and laminating paper. So we'll see, because I've been working on this other project and it's been taking forever. But anyways, because I totally sidetracked, that was our project for today for these little decoration pieces. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I want to say once again, I saw a video about this on Instagram, but I don't know who shared it. So I'm sure it's out there if you guys want to research it.
What do you got against Engine Run?
Jet Navy sails up to the slot every night and blasts us.
That don't got nothing to do with her.
You know, the only radar reports I want to hear is that a bunch of Jap ships have been